Hi there, my name is the Arm Head of Technical here at Prima, otherwise known as the Almanac. Welcome to the latest video. Today we're discussing Paxton Entry. Paxton, as some of you may or may not know, is the market leading manufacturer of both access and entry products. The products are manufactured here in the UK and they offer some amazing benefits and features, such as 5-year warranty on their products, so it's so robust and reliable, and even if you do have any issues, the technical support is second to none. Well, I say second to none, almost as good as the Prima's. We're going to be showcasing the entry product here, so we've got 3 of the products to showcase you, which makes it a standalone solution, or you can make it a networkable product due to the architecture of the system, and you can connect these products to the Net2 software or even Paxton 10. So you can scale the system up to as large or small as you need for your application. So Paxton aren't just about making amazing products, it's about making an end-to-end solution that's really simple to use for your end user and also nice and easy for quick install times, so you can go in, get it done and on to the next one. So what we'll do, we'll unbox some of these products, we'll go through it together and show you some of the key features. So there are 3 key components to the entry solution. To make it standalone, obviously you would need slightly more equipment to make it networkable and more large scale. So 3 components are your entry controller, 337-727, 337-282, which is your entry standard mounted with a handset, and then 337-510, which is your entry VR panel surface with rain hood. This does come in 3 different form factors. You have the standard model, you have the touch, and also have the VR panel. So each model can be used in tons of different scenarios, so perfect for different applications. The VR one can be used in even the harshest of environments without any issue. It's a great product, and it also comes surface, flush, and with surface with rain hood. So again, it can fit any application you have. Let's open this up so you can see what comes in the box. So inside, standard Paxton, you have your manual there. Gives you all your installation instructions, and it shows you different models that are available to you, so you have all that information for you. And you open the unit up, and the panel itself, as I said, this is the VR surface with rain hood, very heavy duty, great quality manufacturing, as I said, manufactured in the UK. Only thing on this front panel is a LAN connector, so again this goes to your controller. So what we'll do, we'll go through each one of these, doing an unboxing, show you what you get in the box, and I'll show you how easy it is to configure in standalone mode. So there's the outdoor station. Here's your controller. Again comes in a plastic box. All the documentation, everything you'll need for all your cabling, your stuffing gland, room for your battery there, so you have your backup in case of a power cut. And the great thing about the Paxton product is inside the controller, it gives you a wiring diagram if you're using readers for all your door furniture with your push to exit button, mag lock with the relays, or if you can integrate into a automated gate solution, so you're just using the relays, not using the magnetic connection. And you have options obviously for your door contact to show the connectivity of the door being open and closed. All this is there. I'll show you a bit of a close-up, and then you have your network ports there for other devices to make this fully networkable. As you can see, this networked into your controller there. And last but certainly not least, we have our monitor. There's the unit itself, great build quality again. Have the option there for additional sounders if needs be, so you can increase the volume. Open it up. And there is our additional handset. Again, with the handsets you have a range of options. You have standard, the premium, audio only, non-audio, and the option for handset if required. So to suit the environment it's been fitted in. So lovely unit, clean looking and amazing quality again from the guys at Paxton. So what we'll do now, I'll get this set up and show you how easy this is to be done. using standalone mode, and also show you how to quickly use the network configuration tool that's downloadable from the entry configuration tool, that's downloadable from Paxton. So let's get it set up and go through it together. So this is a brief, rough setup of a standalone solution. So we have the VR entry panel, we have the entry controller, and we also have the handset indoor monitor. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up from scratch. This is out of the box. So all we have our outdoor station VR panel connected into this port here, and then we have the second port here, which is then connected to our monitor. What this has a wealth of features on there that you can change to suit the installation. So you can go into your settings tab there. You can change the sound settings, you can adjust the volume, change the ringtone, anything that you need to change. You can even go back. You can change the display settings, you can adjust the theme, the time and date, again, to do whatever you needed to do. Another great feature of this, if you're unsure of what settings you need to adjust, you can go into the little self-help tab, you can scroll through, just pick any particular one, press accept, and it will give you the keystrokes of on screen, what you need to follow to be able to do the particular setting that you've chosen. Also, you can adjust the volume here from this lower tab, go to the home screen, turn the microphone on and off, or even go into do not disturb mode. Do not disturb mode as multi-functions. It can be now, you can schedule it, or you can set a particular duration. So really easy, simple to use as per the Paxton way. Then we have our entry panel, as you can see there. So I've done the best bit and peeled the film off. So first of all you need to do is obviously set up your language. So we're going to pick English. You need to give an engineer code. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use 4 ones. And now, as easy as that, hello. I can unlock and control my relays from the touch screen, which will then control the relays on the onboard controller. Nice and easy, really easy to use. Excuse the audio feedback. Tells you the call has been ended. In addition to this, if I didn't answer the call, let's press it again. As the call comes in, I can hang that up. As you can see, I have one in the event log there. If I go into my event log, I can then see an answered call and an answered call. So I am fully aware of a full log of my entry system, calling my indoor monitor, gives me full control. Again, you can delete the log if you need to, so it's nice and clear for you to be able to use. That is how easy this system is to set up out of the box in standalone mode. As I say, you have access to additional readers. You have a built-in reader on the entry units. You can use proximity cards, or you can use codes if needed. And also you have access to your relays there, so if you're going to be using automated gates, magnetic lock, push pull, whatever it needs to be, you have the ability to connect to your controller and full functionality. That is how easy and simple it is. I said, it can be used in tons of different applications, and if you want to scale this up, we have the ability to network this, as I said, to use with Paxton Net 2 and also Paxton 10. So what I'll do is now I'm going to grab my laptop out and I'll show you the entry configuration tool and how easy it will be to set up from that. But there you go guys, it is that simple. So now in the Paxton Access Entry Configuration tool, I've set the site settings as default, but as you can see from this, it gives me information about what equipment I have connected. So if I go here, it even also tells me that devices that need a firmware update. So I go into the details, it shows you that the panel does require a firmware update. Click Start Update, it'll do that automatically for me, which is a great benefit to anyone who installs a firmware. You haven't got looking for it, you're unsure if you need it, the unit will automatically look, find it, and set that up and install it for you. Great little feature. And let's just wait for that quickly to finish installing. So as you can see, that is now completed successfully. The system will now fully reboot and it'll be fully up to date using the very latest firmware for the system, which is great. As it's currently showing offline because it's still rebooting. Give it a few moments and that will fully come back online. Right, we're now fully back online. I show my panels and monitors. Great thing about this, if you're unsure, you can get the serial numbers of your devices from here, so you can tell your location. So it's fully scalable, up to 100 doors and 1,000 devices. In here you have the ability to name your devices, so you can call it front gate, entry, whatever you need to do. You can adjust all your settings, similar to what you can do on at the touchscreen. You can adjust your settings here, all done from the tool. So again, you don't have to go to the panel, so you can do it from one centralized location. Again, making life nice and easy for you. And even the action buttons are inside. You have the ability to change what they do to suit your requirements. The panel itself, exactly as it tells me what panel type I'm using, van resistant. So it actually knows the product it's using, which is another great feature. So if you've got multiple panels on site, you know, if you're looking for an entry, a touch, a standard, or a VR, you particularly know what model you're looking at and working with. If I need to adjust it in my network settings, I can do that here. Again, my video settings, I can be adjusted, and everything else all from this configuration utility. It really is that simple. It auto detects the devices on your network. It makes life simple for you to use. As I said, the technical support is second to none. The product is versatile. It comes with a 5-year warranty. It does everything it says in the tin. Vandal resistant models, touchscreen models, which give you the ability to also change. You can adjust. You can put company logos on it. You can personalize that to meet the installation requirements. So the Paxton product, the entry, great solution. If you guys are unsure or want any more details, please reach out to any of the Prima team or myself or the guys at Paxton. They will no doubt be willing to help you. But once again, thank you to Paxton for letting me be able to showcase their product. And any questions, please reach out. And a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to those who see this video in 2023. Thank you guys. Catch you all again in 2024.